We changed our name to Real B Inventors. The B stands for Brits, or last name. What? Brayden and Elena. I think. Yeah. I don't think it's because middle names. The reason we haven't posted in a while is because I cut open my knee again. And that's why we didn't post it with Liam, because I had to stay at home. And I also have crutches to keep off the pressure.
And your mom's sneezing in the background. That's awesome. When we say make a video, mom's sneezing. Do you want to show knee or no?